Kaya nga no.
Grabing tumitaw siya.
Two thousand years later. Two thousand years later.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow your candle. Wish, okay.
Wish, bumasa
Day, anong wish mo, Inday?
Secret!
Bakit secret?
Siyempre, for me na lang.
For you na lang. Tawag dito, kakain na kaming apat. Ayan. Kakain lang kami ng Popeye. Ayan. Para ma-celebrate lang yung birthday ni JF. Ayan. Kain na tayo.
Ay, baga.
Popeye baga.
Ano yun?
Hi, Ate Genevieve. This is a surprise. I love you. Happy birthday, Ate. I wish na yung health mo is always good and stay pretty. Pretty and beauty. Pretty and beauty. Pretty na may beauty pa. Ate, ayan. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Thank you so much, Ate, sa always na pag-support mo sa akin. Ayan, sa live ko. Thank you so much. I appreciate it much. Ayan, mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo, Ate. And then, don't forget to pray always kay Papa God. And then, of course, God bless you. And then, more blessings to come. Ayan. Ayan, hanggang dito na lang, Ate. Ayan, I hope na we are maging friend long hanggang sa pagtanda natin, friend tayo, Ate, ha. Ayan, wag niyo pong ibablock ni Ate Sai, iiyak talaga. Ayan, good luck sa birthday mo, and then I hope bukas na mag-enjoy ka. Ayan, and thank you so much. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday, Ate. I love you. And sarangyo.
Ganda yan.
Hi everyone. Hello GM. Hi, gulatit sana kita. Happy birthday. Belated na kasi kahapon pa yata yung birthday mo, di ba? Busy tayo eh. Kaya pero naghihintay pa rin kami ng pakain mo. Pakain mo GM. Don't worry sa edad. Huwag mong isipin na kung anong edad mo. Magpasalamat tayo, mahal tayo ng Diyos kasi binigyan na naman tayo ng panibagong buhay. Age is a number only. Okay? Nasa nagdadala yan. Kung iisipin mo ay matanda na ako, talagang tatanda ka. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Alam mo yan. Huwag mong isipin. Be a good lady, woman, hindi na girl kasi hindi ka na bata. Okay? Be good to others. Always yung trabaho lang ang ano mo, ang i-focus mo at family mo sa Pilipinas. Alam mo yan. I love you, GM. I love you. Happy birthday uli para sa iyo. Happy birthday to you.